In today's video, I'm going to teach you 2 ChatGPT settings you must know. By the end, you'll know exactly how to make ChatGPT feel more consistent, more accurate, and better aligned with your goals, whether you're studying, working, or creating content. First up is custom instructions. Think of this as your way to tell ChatGPT how you want it to communicate with you every time. Instead of repeating your preferences in every prompt, set them once and let the system remember your style. You can define the tone you like, friendly, professional, or playful, plus your preferred level of detail and formatting. For example, you might say you want concise answers with clear examples, or step-by-step explanations followed by a quick summary. You can also specify the types of outputs you often need, like outlines, checklists, or short drafts that you'll refine later. The key is to be direct and specific. If a preference changes, update your instructions so future responses reflect your latest needs. This single setup helps your conversations feel consistent across sessions and is especially helpful for students who want structured study guides, professionals who need clear summaries, and creators who want a reliable voice across projects. Next is the memory feature. This lets ChatGPT remember useful preferences over time so you don't have to say the same things again and again. If you regularly request a certain format, mention an ongoing project, or prefer a certain citation style, allow the model to save that detail. Over time, this reduces repetition and makes replies feel more tailored to you. Keep your memory focused on recurring preferences and non-sensitive details. If something becomes outdated, you can adjust or remove it. And as a best practice, don't store private or sensitive information. Stick to workflow basics and stylistic preferences that make your day-to-day use smoother. Why do these settings matter? Together, custom instructions and memory improve efficiency and response accuracy. They help ChatGPT anticipate your needs, reduce back-and-forth clarifications, and keep your work moving. Whether you're writing, researching, or learning, the result is more tailored and productive conversations. You'll spend less time re-explaining and more time getting high-quality, actionable output that matches your voice and goals. Over the long term, that consistency compounds, making brainstorming faster, drafting cleaner, and study sessions more focused. Set your instructions once, let memory handle the recurring details, and watch your workflow become simpler, clearer, and more effective every time you chat.